Today I went to talk to Course 2 about Chapter 6, Lesson 3, Estimating with Percents. Example number 1. We're going to use a fraction to estimate 27% of 63. So what I'd like you to do is look at the problem, 27% of 63. Well, think of 27% of about 25% is equivalent to 1/4. So 1/4 times 63, change 63 to a compatible number. That just means estimate. So we want to estimate 64, and it's closer to 60 than it is to 70. So we change it to 60. So 1/4 times 60 is 15. So 27% of 63 is about 15. I'd like you to pause the video and do check it out 1A, check it out 1B, check it out 1C, and check it out 1D. Okay, your answers for check it out 1A, approximately 1/2 times 80 equals approximately 40. 1B, approximately 9/10 times 100 is approximately 90. And you'll notice that I keep saying approximately because this is about or estimating with this sign. 1/3 times 60 is 20, and approximately 1/10 times 5,000 is 500. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Tara's Tees is offering 2 t-shirts for $18. Well, Good Tees is having a sale in which you can buy 1 t-shirt for $9.99 and get 30% off the second t-shirt. Which store sells the better deal? Well, first, find the discounts on the second t-shirt at Good Tees. So we're going to change our 30% to a fraction. So this is 3/10. So 3/10 times about 10 is $3. So the discount is approximately $3. So 10 minus 3 is approximately $7. So if you were to cost 2 t-shirts would be 10 plus 7 is $17. So which one is the better buy? The store that offers the better deal is Good Tees because it would be $17, and Tara Tees would be $18. Okay, I want you to pause the video and do check it out number 2. Check it out number 2. Billy's office supply store is offering 25% off a leather notebook, originally priced at $9.75. Kay's office supply store offers the same notebook, not on sale, for $7. Which is the better deal? Well, you should have done your math, and approximately 25% of 10, which is about 1/4 of 10, would have been 2.50. So 9.50 minus 2.50 is approximately, this was 7.5. So then, with our math, the price at Billy's office supply would be this. And then the office supply at Kay's would be 7. So who has the better deal? Kay's has the better deal. Example number 3. Use 1% or 10% to estimate the percent of each number. So we have 4% of 18. Well, 18 is about 20. So let's find 4% of 20. 1% of 20 is 0.2. So 0.2 times 4 is 0.8. So 4% is about 0.8. And I apologize, I cut off the last blank here at the bottom. It's about 0.8. Letter B, 29% of 80, 29% of 30 is about 30. So let's find 30% of 80. So 10% of 80 would be 8. And then 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 times 10%. So then 29% of 80 is 24. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and do check it out number 3. Okay, you should have done check it out number 3A and 3B. And you should have found your answer for 3A to be 12 and your answer for 3B to be 0.9. We found 20% of 60 is 2 times 6. 10% of 60 was 6, so we did 2 times 6 is 12. And then 3% of 30, well, 1% of 30 is 0.3, so 0.3 times 3 is 0.9. Number 4, Tim spent $58 on dinner for his family. About how much money should he leave for a 15% tip? Since $58 is about 60, let's find 15% of 60. So 15% equals 10 plus 5%. So 10% of 60 is $6. 5% of 60, well, what's $6 divided by 2? That's 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And we know that 5% of 1/2 of 10%, so that's why we divided by 2. So we added the percentages together. So Tim should leave about a $9 tip for his 15%. I want you to do check it out number 4 on your own. Pause the video. Amanda spent $28.80 on a haircut. About how much money should she leave for a tip? Well, $28.80 is about $30. So we're going to do $30. And since we have 15 equals 10 plus 5, I know that 10% of 30 is 3. So then half of 3, because 10 divided by 2 is 5, so I want to find the 5%. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, so she should leave about $4.50 tip. If you need to go back and rewatch the video, please do at your leisure. Thank you.